Welcome back, guys. How are you? For the first 2022, we're still early of the January. Welcome. I'm Geraldo from OctaFX Malaysia. So tonight we're going to have a very big session, very beautiful session with me. It's for the 2022 result and the 2022 forecast. Alright, how are you guys? I want to see your comment in the chat under the video or beside the video that we are live streaming right now. How are you guys? Hi Malik, hi Babar Ali, hi Afolabi, hi Hafizuddin. Afolabi, where you come from? Can you tell me which part, which country you are come from? So how are you Hafizuddin? Susan Kumar. So Susan Kumar, Hairi, welcome. Babar Ali and some Arabic. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam. Alright, so welcome. This is a very special night here at 10 p.m. in Kuala Lumpur. So which part you are from? Welcome. Alright, Rudy, good. Welcome, good job, Rudy. Alung Panda, Vishal Patel, Sulaiman Jo, hi, how are you? Why I'm looking on the right corner, on the lower right corner, because this is a chat that I can see you, meaning that we can have live conversations with me, with two-way of engagements. Alright, Ismail, welcome. Jiban, good evening. Jiban Sigdar, hello Jiban Sigdar, how are you? Good job. Azad Drill, salam. Hello from Ukraine. Ukraine, are you sure? Because Ukraine have, I don't know, it's a war with the Russians, right? Russians try to invade Ukraine right now. SK, hi from UK. Yes, Moniferita, yes, thank you so much for advising others to encourage others to like and share as well. Sankar, hello. Surenda, Jack Hian, good evening. Anno, welcome. Hi. Nathan, hi, how are you? So, I want to re-emphasize again, this is the 2021 result and the 2022 forecast. 2021 was the year of the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin in particular. Alright, so we have a cryptocurrency and Bitcoin in particular. How many of you participated either in the mining Bitcoin or any related in cryptocurrency, or you have a wallet, or you trade by yourself through the online trading? How many of you trade Bitcoin? Type BTC in the chat, I want to see. Alright, from the Ampang, okay, please type BTC. I just want to know if you particularly focus on the cryptocurrency or the Bitcoin. Awesome. Alright, hello Kumar, welcome. Nigeria, based on Lagos, welcome. Nigerian, hi. By the way, there's some information for you. Bitcoin also has broke its record twice this year, in May and in November. Okay, we can see the chart I'm going to show you, and the dynamic are as follows. Alright, you can see, and the Bitcoin price from January to the end of April, the growth is 111%. There's a lot of money being made for some people. And from June to July, it's decline, negative 50% is for the corrections. And from July to November, it's a growth about 139%. And up to December, we are now declining to 35%. Alright, how many of you has positions in the Bitcoin? Can I see your... Hi, can I see your comment? Alright, can you comment BTC? Have you participate in the Bitcoin? Anyone from here? Amir Khan, how about you? Okay, Nasi Hamid said, I have Bitcoin and Ethereum including Shiba. Okay, that's very good. Shiba. Very good, Nasi, good job. Don't forget, we also in the economics of the robust economic. Beside of the financial market that currently we have, we also have in the Bitcoin and the NFT as well. Okay, now we're going to talk about the cryptocurrency. The global economy is cyclical. There is a cycle of low rates followed by the high rates. Since we have been living in the era of the cheap money for a very long time, inflation has risen sharply. You can see it worldwide. To curb inflation and stabilize the economy, central banks have to increase the intrinsic value of money, that is, raise the key rate. So that's what's happening right now. So market participants expected an increase in the value of assets. So they turn the attention to cryptocurrency. That's what's going on now, guys. So market participants expect an increase in the value asset, so they turn their attention to the cryptocurrency, meaning cryptocurrency is still relevant, not only last year or past year, but we're going to focus on this year as well. So cryptocurrency can generate significant income as well, but they also have the highest volatility and risk. Remember, volatility and risk also involved in this risk management, so you need to know which capital you want to use, all right, how much you want to put risk, and of course it is also equal to reward, then maybe you can have good reward as well. But you must remember, this is the highest volatility and the risk. Besides, investors also choose cryptocurrency because of the depreciation of the traditional asset caused by the high inflation. So it's like a hedge. Before this, we know we use a gold, right, to hedge between the inflation with the, of course, the USD inflations, and then we hedge that. And now most of the youngsters as well use the cryptocurrency because of the depreciation of the traditional asset caused by the high inflations. Alright, please tell about USD. Of course, at the end of this tonight webinar, I will do some analysis for you. And we have also a very simple but yet impactful some of the competition. I'm going to throw it to you and you can win a few things from the OctaFX. Is it good? It's good, start good. Alright, nice and welcome. Hello, please, I need mentorship. Of course, Olawale, Olawaraju. What? This is a very good name, eh? Olawale, Olawaraju. Alright, of course, I can help you. And also we have lots of in Octa education, in English, in Arabic, in Urdu, and also in some other language as well. By the way, I want to share with you what also happening in 2021. All major central banks were expected to raise rate by the end of 2021. But COVID-19 ruined those plans. Increase of the key rate could boost business activities, but such actions would be highly risked under the pandemic restrictions. Right now in Malaysia, we have also in the global, we have Omicron. This is as a pandemic restriction. So with the cheap money flowing into the economy from bank, inflation in many countries has reached the highest level in the year. In the United States, inflation reached about 6.8% in the United States itself, and the highest level in nearly 4 decades, guys. So the current inflation rate in the UK and the Euro area country was also observed about 10 to 15 years ago. And only the Bank of England, of the major central bank, raised the rate at its meeting on 16 December 16, initiating a new cycle in the ongoing year. Alright? So Sanskar Patro said USD will rise or not today. We're going to have, I'm going to share you some analysis. I'm going to share you what the objective of we doing this, and I'm going to share you a competition that you can participate and make some money with the OctaFX as well. Now we're going to talk about the commodity exchange. Alright? So I want to comment about the commodity exchange. Apart from Bitcoin, don't forget the oil price. The oil price has risen significantly this year, about 70% as of the beginning of December 2021. At the end of the year, the price of gold decreased slightly. You can see gold price decreased slightly as the rate rise devalued investment in the precious metal. However, during the period of strong volatility from March to May, its price skyrocketed by 14%. Okay, Timely, I need a professional expert. Yes. We're going to share with you. Gordon, hi Gordon, you look good tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. And hopefully we're going to have lots of information that will bring impact and help you in what you're going to focus on in 2022. All right, what about the Euro USD rate? How many of you want to know about the Euro USD? Type Euro USD. All right, so high inflation spread across both the Euro area and the United States, guys. But the region approached the problem differently. So the Federal Reserve Fed seeks to promptly cut the infusions into the economy caused by the pandemic and raise the rate. The European Central Bank, ECB, is more optimistic. It admits that inflation is high, but considers it a temporary phenomenon. There are positive dynamics in the Euro area labor market and economic indicators, so financial experts do not force rate rising. So due to such a difference in approach, the euro has fallen by 8% against the dollar over the current year. So that's how what's happening in 2021. Alright, hi Pukal, hello. Euros is going on heavy sell today. Wait, Sanskar, I will share you the forecast after this. No worries. Just hold on with me. All right, now we're going to do the next, what we're waiting for, the 2022 forecast. Give a hand, guys. Give a round of applause, tight applause for the account manager Go Sell. Just relax and take time. You're going to have time to do some analysis, to do some live trading as well. All right, the 2022 forecast. The Bank of England got in right in the time and raised rate this year. So the Bank of England has got in right in the time and raised rate this year. In 2022, we will see the further rate hike by the rest of the world central bank, and it's inevitable as inflation continues to rise. The increase will not be one-time thing. The Fed chairman has announced at least a 3-time change in the discount rate next year. Considering the Euro-USD pair, the ratio will depend on the growth of each currency. Now, the US, the United States, is acting more aggressively, but that also could change. Regarding the global outlook, we can conclude that low-high cycle used to alternate on every 10 years. But have you seen this period is now become shorter? Do you guys agree with me? All right. Ira said, first week of your time, never knew trading is so fulfilling. Yes, it is fulfilling. Especially when you make money. How many of you have made money today? Tight money. If at least I can see that you make money today. By the way, thank you so much. Good job, guys. Give a hand to yourself. Thank you for being here. This is slightly a forecast, a review for 2021 and a review for 2022. And I'm going to share also with my way how I'm going to help you to become a profitable trader, to make money, to consistently have a growth in your asset as well. How many of you excited? Type excited. I want to see a lot of people participate with me tonight. Hello, Olawale from Nigeria. Yes, you have a few times you mentioned, I recognize you. Very prominent right now. All right, Ibrahim said money. Good night, Jairus. Welcome. Shahi, welcome. Yes, awesome. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Okay, I'm going to share you with my iPad now. I already prepared a few slides and also a few examples that are already proven case that you can mimicking or imitate what I'm going to teach you tonight. All right. So we're going to have a look into my iPad. Let's go. All right, this is the market outlook, guys. Trading and investment objective. All right, market outlook for trading and investment objective. Okay, this is a very special presentation I have made for you, for those who really want to pursue this career seriously. All right, so Sanskar is USD is going to sell. I'm on a huge loss on OctaFX computer. Give a time, Sanskar. I'm going to help you on this. All right, so you have seen I already prepared and already showed to you about the 2021 and 2022 market outlook, right? But the most important that with the information, or we have a massive information from YouTube, from the authority, from the web-based authority, and that's really important for you guys to have a clear mind. You must avoid the cluttered mind. You must focus on the clear mind. What is your objective? So the first thing that you need to understand that you must focus on the one objective, just only one, guys, objective that really gives really big impact to your result. So what the objective? I believe, so what the objective? What do you believe? For me, I believe that the main objective is to make more money, to make money and constantly grow. How are you? How many of you agree with me? Can you type agree? At least I know you agree with me. So the main objective is to make, how many of you agree that our objective is to make money and consistently grow? Type me, M-E. All right, Gordon said, any prize that I can win tonight, Coach? Of course, we have some competition. As I said earlier, in the early of the webinar, you will have opportunity to win the prize with OctaFX as well. Thank you so much to Octa. Give a hand to Octa. Give a hand. All right, so the first thing you need to know that you need to focus on the objective. Our objective, my objective as a trader, as an investor, is the main objective to make money and constantly grow. All right, awesome, Zolikram, awesome. Hogan, awesome. Sanskar, awesome. Agreed. Makiro, highly agreed. Thank you so much. Good job. All right, and we're not telling you as a theoretical, but I want to give you a pragmatic approach as well. So how basically to achieve the target? How basically to achieve the target? You need two things. The first one, you need a trading plan. So what is trading plan? Trading plan consists of how you define trend, how you define entry, and how you exit either stop loss or take profit. So you must choose one. And also you need an investment plan. Alright, in a nutshell, this is a focus on the need. You need a trading plan and you need the investment. The two type of plan you need to have. You need to trade and you have to invest the mindset. Alright, you need to have the both mindset, trader and investor. But mainly focus on the investor mindset, focus on more assets that bring value in a certain period of time. And then you need focus on the longer run. Don't focus on the short run. Alright, so we're going to focus on what you need to focus. Alright, I'm going to give you an example. I don't know, maybe in Nigeria, I don't know, maybe in some places that you live in, maybe Singapore, maybe Indonesia, maybe Philippines, China, India, and so on and so forth. In my case, in Malaysia, basically I want to gain more compared to conventional. So what I mean by conventional, in average that the conventional is giving you 5 to 25% annually. How many of you agree that in conventional, such as fixed deposit, maybe some mutual fund give you around 2-3%, but I give you some in average in 5 to 25% annually. How many of you agree? Type agree. Okay, so what I'm looking forward, so what we're looking forward for is 5% to 20% monthly and also 40 to 60% annually. Some people said this is an aggressive approach. Some people said this is a medium risk approach. It depends how you define your capital, your lot and your layer, and how you use your risk reward or value investment, or we call a value investing assessment. So we're looking forward for 5% to 20% per month and 40-60% per annum. Why? Because we want to beat the odds of the conventional ways. Okay, right? So Nissan, agree? All right, so we're going to focus. Okay, I'm going to give you some example. This is a real example from my FX book, if you heard about it. So my FX book consists of it's record all the trading performance by month, daily, weekly, months, and yearly. I'm going to give you some real proven record in a picture, and after this I'm going to show you directly on the my FX book links. There's a direct in the website. Okay, so this is some example. All right, you can see basically this is a different account, meaning that it has bonus, it's double the result. Let's say in this case I show you this very specific result. So I want to ask you, if you make this much from May, like 30%, 3%, sorry, my mistake, 2.6%, 0.5%, 4%, 3%, 1%, and 9%, do you think this will help you beat the conventionals or not? What do you think? And do you think with the kind of reputation that you have with the trading statistic, can you be financially free? What do you think about it? Is it good indications, or is it bad indications, or is it decent indication that may help you in the long run? For me, I take a decent approach, and this is what we're looking for, because basically it's more than 5%, and basically it's more than 3%. Basically you need to time 2 because of the bonus for the bonus sake, and then you can have total round number is make about around 55% in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months. All right, definitely right, Nathan. It's a good, right? It's a good. That's why we're looking forward for the annually. That's why we're looking forward about the monthly to annually. That's how the strategy being used and how we run through all the process to achieve that. All right, to withdraw also. I'm sorry, Monkey de Love. So you need to focus on the support. I'm the educator and the trader and investor as well. Yeah, it's quite decent, right, Hogan, Bessie? Okay, and we look on the latest performance is 8.66% for the January alone. So basically you can say like we trade the gold, EuroCAD, GBP JPY, GBP NZD, and GBP USD. All right, is it good? Yeah, growing your finance consistently. All right, so then this is how the thing works. All right, before that, I want to give you what are the strategy. How many are excited about the strategy? You need a strategy, you need a methodology, a method, a technique. I know there's a very vast, a various technique in the world. We have like Fibonacci, we have MACD, we have awesome alligator, we have stochastic, and a lot of things to focus on. We have a wave, Elliott wave, week off, and so on and so forth. It depends on how you look at it. For me, I take it as simple as I can. I use the formula of keep it simple. And this is, I want to show you the simple way. I call it as a PVM. It's called parameter variable method, or focus on the parameter variable matrix. Focus on the how you want to elaborate the trading plan itself. Okay, I want to show you. This is the PVM as a trading guideline. All right, PVM as a guideline. Okay, I'm going to share you a bit about this. All right, so you can see this is called the reward zone. Reward zone meaning when you have a gap between support and resistance. This is considered as a support and considered as a resistance. I want to give some disclaimer. I focus on what I'm doing now. I'm not comparing with other technical analysis. I'm not comparing with other trainer as well or educator. I'm just focused for the sake of what I'm doing and it's workable. And as I share with you exactly the blueprint that has shown result in the MyFA book earlier that I showed to you. Okay? Alright, so this is a reward zone. You need to understand the risk zone. Alright, so basically you need to have a support and resistance. This is a signal trend. I'm going to give you some example of signal trend. When the close price close below indicates the close price of the bull, close price is below MA ping, so I call it moving average ping or moving average linear weighted 5 and 10 low, and then the middle band. So I call it a signal trend. So the first thing you need to identify is signal trend, and then the second one is you need to focus on the basic market structure. It's called break retest. So after the break you need to retest some corrective. So the retest, and then you focus on the take profit. So basically this is how the system works. All right, got it? No problem, Ibrahim. I'm going to share later. So we're going to focus on this. Yes, it's a zone. Yes, you can say Amir Khan, you can say it's a distance as well. And in this case, I comfortably say it is a zone compared to distance. Okay, all right. So this is the trading plan. I know maybe you get it or not by today if you're very new. So I'm really sorry about that. But the idea, we're going to do the whole idea first. All right, and also after this. After you understand about the PVM, at least you have some methodology how to manifest very specific your idea into the trading plan, and you need to clear cut that we have a 4 type of market trend structure. All right, we have 4 types of market trend structure. So the first one is a trending. You can see market is really trending. Market break after the sideways break, and the second one is sideways, and we have a break sideways, the number 3, and we have a corrected. This is 4 market I define in my action for the past 15 years. All right, so what I need you to focus is focus on this sideways and break sideways. Why? I need you to do some homework, do your homework. 80% market is sideways, 20% is trending. So focus on the 80% market because you have more opportunity as an intraday trader. For me, I'm an intraday trader, so focus on the intraday. And then 20% is trending. Ultimate target is to create critical mass. That means it will pay off for you yearly, and you can pay your expenses for the next 1 year because you have good capital, you have risk management there, and then you can focus on the trading itself because you already got money after you achieve certain point. It's called a critical mass. The point is called critical mass. All right, so what you need to focus is 5% to 20% monthly and 40 to 60% annually. Basically, if you understand what I'm telling you, 5% times 12 is according to 60%. So that's how things work, and it's a proven blueprint that I'm giving to you tonight. All right, is it awesome or awesome? Type awesome. Sanskar said all accounts are washing today. Sanskar, you need to have a little bit knowledge so you can be better at your decision. And of course, you can do copy trading, but at the same time, you also need to know what's going on. Don't simply put money, but you need to understand what's going on. At least you know the risk that you take, and also maybe can help you on the better decision in the future. And the whole game, why we want to create the critical mass? Because we want to cover, okay, we want to pay the expenses, the lifestyle that you want, any lifestyle. You can maybe have some, I don't know, some people like cars, some people like vacation, travel, some people like luxury items, like handbags, or wallets, or watches, I don't know. So it depends on your lifestyle. And maybe some people more on spiritual side, want to help other people, go for the philanthropist methodology ways. So it's up to you guys. All right. Okay. So just cover the lifestyle that you want. So the ultimate, why I'm telling you, you need to do your homework, because 80% market is sideways, and summit target is to create critical mass. So and it's meant to cover the lifestyle that you want. Any lifestyle. Maybe you want to have some extra money to clear your debt. Or you want more money to give to your parents, or you want to give to your, the loved one, and give them some, I don't know, maybe a special dinner in the expensive restaurant. I don't know. It depends on you. All right. So I think Gordon asked a question that, can I win a prize? Yes, you can win a prize. All right. So this is it's written in Malay, but I'm going to talk to you in English. So we have a forecast challenge. Okay, I'm going to share you some forecast after this, but we have a forecast challenge. So the forecast challenge for EURUSD for March 1st, 2021. Meaning you need to forecast what the price would be on the March 1, 2021. So the trader can spot the nearest or exact price on March 1. You can get 100% bonus to help you in the trading. And please share what's your option or what the price that you think in the comment chat below. And the result for 2021 and the video for the result of 2021 and the forecast for 2022 is open until 28 January 2021. All right. So basically now we have 27 of January. So tomorrow will be end. So focus on the first month. All right. Got it? You will win 100% bonus deposit. It's gonna help you a lot in your equity and help you a lot to grow your account more. Got it? Understand? If you have any questions, please write down the chat. I'm going to read and I'm going to share with you. Okay, can we switch back to stage first? All right, can switch back to stage first. All right, good. Okay, American, got it. So basically, you in this chat, put down the chat. Put your comment in the chat and the session below. Okay. All right. Didn't understand quiz. Basically, the quiz is predict or forecast. Okay, on the 2022 first March, where the price of Euro USD you think? Okay, Harry said 1.0650. All right. Okay, I need the stage appearance basically. I need to get up from this. All right, finally we're here. Good job, guys. How are you guys? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? We need some pump up energy. So we need some music. Can we have some music to pump our energy? I'm going to share with you some analysis, what my forecast as well on the Euro USD. Come on, guys. Come on. So we have just one participant right now. Bahari is 1.06450 on the first March. So please some people please, other people also please participate. Come on, guys, come on. What is your forecast for the March 1? And for the trader who forecast exactly or near the price will win the 100% bonus deposit from OctaFX. Is it good? It's good, right? Alright, so soon is 0.900. I'm not sure what you focus on, but can you give a very exact price for the USD as well? Okay, Fukal doing great, awesome, good job. Okay, so I'm going to share with you for a while. I need to, some people please, we have 126 watching now, like almost 200 likes. So please, okay, good job. Tanesh is 1.0978. Evelyn is 1.0906. Nizam is boy on Yex. We good, sir? All right. Amir Khan is 1.62. Marky is 1.1100. All right. And please, this is free, guys. And you might win 100 deposit bonus. It's good or good? It's very good, guys. So Ruth said a 1.1865 and Chi Kiat said a 1.23 and 1.0900. Emily said people are ignorant of probability in the Bitcoin investment. That has been their major issue limiting the investment. Yes, I do agree on some of the segment. Gordon said 1.10372. Good job. All right. Come on, guys. I need more people. At least 3 to 5 people participate in these competitions. So Nani said no, total is 1.6512. Amir Khan said 1.06. Muhammad Ibrahim said 1.68. Srinivas said 0.986. And Devil Vines 1.1030. All right. Okay, now we're going to move for the last section. I'm going to share you my analysis, my view on the forecast of Euro USD. Type Euro USD, make sure you're ready. Type Euro USD. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the psychology approach, the mindset approach, and we're more focused on the method, technical approach, and we're focused on as well on the risk management approach. What I'm going to share with you is a technical how to focus the market and how to take advantage of the market movement. We have 4 market trend structure. Do you remember? The first one is trending, the second one is sideways, and the third one is break sideways, and the fourth one is the corrective, meaning there's a sharp drop or sharp, fly, okay, sharp rising the price. Okay, UTV, although Hindi said 1.05899 and Abu Bakar said 1.137. Keep coming, guys. Okay, awesome. Euro SD. Okay, so we're gonna share to my intro now, guys. Okay, this is Euro USD. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to share you how I do the forecast. I must do the top-down analysis. What the words? Top-down analysis. Please type top-down analysis to make sure you understand and ingrain in your brain there's a top-down analysis. So top-down meaning that you need to focus on the monthly, and it should change to the time frame, and the time frame is for the weekly, monthly, daily, H4 and H1. This is to make sure, because we have some philosophy, basically my philosophy, and I'm going to focus on the mindset that always respect bigger time frame, meaning that if you see the price is near or on the price with the support resistance on the monthly or weekly, then you focus on the support resistance on the monthly or weekly. Some people ask me, which time frame do you want to use, coach? I use whatever bigger time frame showed to the chart. Yeah, top-down analysis. Got it. Good job, Irene. Good job, Pukal. Good job outside. Good job, Jack here. All right. So, I know maybe some of you not familiar with this kind of setup. Maybe some of you doing the naked chart without an indicator. And maybe some of you do some analysis counting, meaning that a wave counting. And maybe some of you use the supply demand, support resistance, trend line, blah, blah, blah. It's up to you guys. The more important part that you make money. Okay, I can see the market right now. It's a sideways market. And in this case, I really love use the trend line. I can see on the clear cut. I can see the clear cut on the chart that it's still a downtrend because of the bear now still dominant with the trend. And the last setup, I can see that this is called the candlestick trend, also still active on the zone. Okay, the first thing I'm going to put some trend line here. Okay, I'm going to show you some trend line. This is really important, guys, because trend line is a basic. It's called Hloc system, HLOC, high low, open close, that I introduced a few years back. This is the where you wait for the maximum line because price structure move in the channel as well. Okay, so in this case I'm going to wait on this price. Okay, for the alright, I'm going to for the upper line, so I'm going to take for the trend line. You just need 2 points, either high or low. Okay, in this case I will not sell even market is downtrend. For me, market is in the support zone because it's approaching the lower Bollinger Band part and also is in the MA moving average pink in the chart. So I focus on the buy position rather than sell position. Why? Because I always respect bigger time frame. You must remember, if the price is on bigger time frame on the support zone, do not sell. So what happened, coach, if the price keep dropping? So you need to focus on trading plan. There's a very specific distinction between the rookie trader and the novice trader and the expert trader. You need to understand, you need to have very particular focus on what your philosophy focus on, and then what are the method that you are using. So for me, even Euro USD is still dropping, I will focus on buy position. This is how my approach that maybe help you on focus. All right, and then I can see the stoch here. Stoch is used for filtering entry zone, so it's still quite aggressive in this case. You can see the stoch 100 is called a stoch ping is approaching 20. I call it a power zone, so it might be a lower after this, but because I'm an intraday trader, so I'm focused on weekly, daily and as well. So we have a look about the weekly. All right, so weekly is quite for me it's quite interesting because you can see we have a support in the monthly line there, and then the market is obviously still selling. My preference is waiting for buy, but in this case you can see clearly if you want to sell as well, you need to focus on the buy first because market will do retest after the break. Okay, retest at the break. So like Shankar said that I'm MC, I'm a margin call, I'm wiping my account because USD, yes, USD dropping, and that's why risk management implementation is the key. How you want to battle with the market and focusing. Yes, there is a USD in the buying zone. No. Okay, it's a good thing that Devil Vines put some statement there. USD is the buying zone, buy as much as you can. Okay, this is the risk management play around. All right, this is the risk management play around. This is really important, guys. If you want to make money consistently and grow in the future, you must focus on the risk management. So the word that buy as much as you can is not, for me, is not the right word or is not the correct word. You need to focus on how to calculate if something went wrong against your analysis, what you need to do. What should I do? How much the money I need to take care, how much capital I need to use, how the lot will use, how the layer, how many layer I can use. So you must have calculations on the floating side. So for me, even it's a buying zone, I'm not buy as much as I can. I'm not focused on that because it's a risk. Market is always 50-50. In my case, in my philosophy for the past 15 years, market is always 50-50. All right. Okay. So right now, we can see the weekly is down, and for the daily part, okay, daily part, this is quite interesting as well. Okay, for daily part, you can see I have if you carefully look on the chart, you can see the Bollinger Band 200. Okay, Bollinger Band 200 setting, and it's in a pink color. Now it's in the lower Bollinger Band. In this case, I more prefer buy now, buy zone now, buy now. This is a buy zone, my buy zone. I will do buy position. Okay, we look on the H4 itself, and the stock is in the, it's called a trend reversal zone. I will share with you what my stock setting, no problem. Just keep it up with me. I'm more focused on the buy right now rather than sell, and I'm gonna to understand that my floating calculation is around, floating meaning that's against your trend, around from here to here is 320 pips. So I need to understand if I have $10,000 and I use $1 per pip, then meaning that I'm going to lose 320. Is quite huge. If you have a shorter or smaller risk tolerance, but for me it's okay if I have $10,000 and I market against my my entry zone against my trend, so I'm going to buy again at the dip at the price of the trend line. All right. So as you say, okay, so I buy now. Okay, let's see. Okay, and the hash 4. Okay, and the hash 4 also is zone buy, and the hash 1 also zone buy. So my preference is buy now, guys. Buy now. All right. So buy now. Buy now, and which one to exit? I will exit at the daily purple. So this is my exit point. In this case, I want to save first. So I'm going to exit at the middle band of the hash 4. Okay. So what my focus on this coming first March? Okay, I'm focusing on this line, guys. This line, I believe that market will do some retracement even if the market want to going down. I'm going to focus on this zone as well. All right. So which zone? This zone. So my focus is 1.13939, guys. 13939, or maybe slightly lower. So the first March would be 1.3808. Okay. In this case, if you notice, we are in the end of the January. So end of January or early of the March, the retracement will take charge in the weekly or monthly time frame. This is happening. Right? I do trade for the past 15 years, and I understand that for every end of the month and early of the month, there will be retracement on a bigger time frame, especially on the weekly and the monthly basis. All right, for weekly and monthly basis, I'm focusing on the retracement. So I'm really looking forward that a huge retracement, at least for the weekly zone. This is like some crazy idea, right? Because today is Thursday and tomorrow is Friday, and the last day will be on the Monday, if I'm not mistaken. It's 31st, right? And hope this video will trace on the 13939, and the retracement will be around 229 p, 230 p. I think it's going to be possible. All right. So right, let's say I'm going to watch first. After the webinar, we'll reassess, can handle another heart attack. Of course, you need to take care of your health first. Heart attack nowadays, heart attack, the major cause of the death, even the youngsters. All right, awesome, got it. So this is how I'm focusing on it. Then, of course, I will do some buying. I will do some long position. Before this, for the past 10 years, I've used a long word, short word. Yeah, for buy position, I use a long and a short. For the sell, right now, many traders just use buy and sell. I don't know why, but I'm going to put some long position here, meaning that I'm going to buy. So make sure you have a risk management assessment before you do the trade. All right. Thank you so much, guys. You understand? If you like to follow me, especially in Bahasa, so please keep up with OctaFX in Bahasa. So I'm going to share with you a lot of things in these coming years and this coming months. I'm going to make sure you have a proven track record in making money consistent and grow in the long run. All right, thank you guys. Thank you Amir Khan. Thank you Olawale. Thank you Yase. Thank you Jack Dian. Thank you Ira. Thank you Emily. Thank you Devil Vine. All right, I'm sorry Devil, I don't have much time for you Devil One, but in the short, in the nutshell, I would say that you don't have to focus technical and fundamental and of the sentiment. You just need to focus what really makes you money. For me, I personally, I read news, but I'm focused on my PVM as a trading plan because I have consistent blueprint. And before that, maybe I need time. This is some example of the people who already, make money with the method I share to you. All right. So I'm going to show. I'm going to get some time. I need you to give me some time. Yeah. Buy me some time. Okay. You can see this is the November So this one of today make 4.62%, 13% for 2022 is 40%. This is what I'm telling you. Do not focus solely on the okay. I need to master fundamental. I need to master sentiment. I need to master all those. The analysis, technical chart, and all the technique that I can learn. It's important to you understand what make the most money for you. You need to understand what work for you. For me, I read news. Yes, I agree with news. I focus on news, but I know that my technical analysis is going to help me. It's a proven track record. Now I'm going to give you some sample of my student proven track record. So we have this one, make this money. So this is another one. You've seen it. So the past 2021, for last 3 months, this is a challenge that I held in my community as well. So 53%, 23%, 44%, and 2020, 24%. And I give you some more. This is like a decent return, but very good in average. If I am an investor, a big investor, I focus on this. So 5%, 11%, 4%, 5%, and 2020 is 9%. And this one is 2021 is 0.57%, and then increase to 3.17%, increase the 27.8%. It's quite huge, this guy. What's the name of the guy? So 27.6 and 2022 now it's making 31.6%. And this case is 0.29%, 5.0%, 1.46%, and then 15%. And the last one is the I've showed you earlier, right? So back to the stage. This is how the things work. Focus on the one objective, what you really want. For me, I want to make money consistent and grow in the long term, creating more asset value, which means that I have a critical mass. They're going to pay off. And annually, they're going to pay my expenses for the lifestyle I want in the next year. That's how we focus on. Focus on the things that really bring big impact to you guys. Right? Don't get yourself like confused with how the Fed, how the ECB, Bank of England, BOE, BOJ affect this. Yes, it's interesting to discuss that, but you need to have a breakthrough. What is the really main factor? You need to have a prioritization. What the thing you need to focus on that really bring big impact to your result, guys. All right, congratulations. Tonight, give a hand, give a hand, give a hand, give a hand. Thank you so much. I'm Jiro Azrul from OctaFX Malaysia. Thank you so much for this 2021 result and 2022 forecast. And hopefully you participate in our competition. What is the prize? EUR/USD in the first month. So let's see you. Bye. Yes. Thank you, admin. We hope you enjoy the session. See you guys.